This video will demonstrate how to mix Belzona 1111 Super Metal by volume and explore some of its key repair applications. The volumetric mixing ratio for Belzona 1111 Super Metal is 3 parts base to 1 part solidifier. Use a spatula to transfer 3 equal parts of base onto the Belzona working surface. Then use a clean spatula to transfer 1 equal part of solidifier. Mix the 2 components thoroughly in a figure-of-8 motion until free of streaks. Then the material is ready for application. Belzona 1111 Super Metal is designed for metal repair, bonding, and resurfacing. Applications include pit filling, restoring damaged metal surfaces to their original profile, and preventing further corrosion. For flange face forming, Belzona 1111 Super Metal provides accurate reshaping and sealing of damaged sealing surfaces. In pump rebuilds, it restores worn casings and helps extend equipment life. For pipework, it can be used as part of a reinforced repair system to reinstate damaged areas and help maintain asset integrity. Shaft repairs can also be carried out, rebuilding worn or damaged diameters back to their original specification. And for shaft keyways, it enables the precise rebuild of worn or damaged drive features. Belzona 1111 Super Metal is a cold-curing 100% solids epoxy composite, reinforced with silicon steel alloy. Belzona's most popular product. It's valued for its versatility across a wide range of repair applications.